The tiny house by Weber Arquitectos in Valle de Bravo, Mexico, epitomizes efficient and thoughtful design within a limited time frame and budget. Spanning 120 millisquares, the structure is elevated on a metallic platform, creating a seamless terrace that opens to panoramic forest views. The house prioritizes public areas with compact but comfortable bedrooms, featuring bunk beds for optimized space. The use of heat-treated wood staves for walls, combined with large windows and a floating ceiling, allows natural light to enhance the interior spaces, blending the house harmoniously with its natural surroundings.